Need to move your subscribers into Brevo? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to import contacts into Brevo step by step. We'll prepare your contact file, upload it correctly, map the fields, organize your contacts into a list, and verify that the import was successful. First, open your web browser and visit the Brevo website. Sign in to your account, then head over to the Contacts section. This is where you'll manage and import your subscriber lists. Before importing, make sure your contact file is properly organized. Most people use a CSV file with columns for an email address, first name, last name, and any other information they want to keep. It's also a good idea to remove duplicate or invalid email addresses before uploading the file. Next, click the Import Contacts button and choose your prepared file. Depending on the available options, you may also be able to import contacts from another application or service. Select your file and continue. After uploading, Brevo will ask you to match the columns in your file with the contact fields in your account. Make sure fields like email address, first name, and last name are matched correctly so your contact information imports accurately. Now choose the contact list where your subscribers should be added. You can select an existing list or create a new one during the import process if that's more convenient. Keeping your contacts organized makes future email campaigns much easier to manage. Once everything looks correct, start the import process. After it's finished, review your contact list to confirm that all of your subscribers were imported successfully. If Brevo reports any errors, simply correct your file and try the import again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import contacts into Brevo in 2026. With your contacts now inside Brevo, you're ready to create campaigns, build automations, and grow your audience more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.